Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has nominated Alberta-based judge, author and academic Sheilah Martin to the Supreme Court of Canada. Martin was first appointed as a judge in 2005, and served on the Court of Queen's Bench of Alberta in Calgary until June 2016, when she was appointed as a judge of the Courts of Appeal of Alberta, the Northwest Territories and Nunavut. She has also served as a deputy judge for the Supreme Court of Yukon since 2009. Her 30-year legal career has focused on Indigenous issues, education, equality rights and increasing the number of historically underrepresented groups in law schools and the legal profession. A news release from the Prime Minister's office also touted her awards, including the Distinguished Service Award for Legal Scholarship, the Law Society of Alberta Certificate of Merit and the YWCA's Advancement of Women Award. Trudeau praised Martin's accomplishments as an asset to the top court. She has a breadth of experience, is an extraordinary jurist and has experience right across the country, including in the North, he said. She's going to be a great voice on the Supreme Court. The appointment retains the gender makeup of the 9-member High Court, which now has 4 women and 5 men. Many had expressed hope that an Indigenous person would be nominated. When asked why that didn't happen, Justice Minister Jody WilsonRaybould called it an important question, but referred only to the open, transparent appointment process with clear criteria on merit, functional bilingualism and diversity. She said Indigenous lawyers are taking up an increasing number of seats on lower court benches across the country. Ultimately we will wind up with an Indigenous justice on the Supreme Court, she said. Born and raised in Montreal, Martin studied common and civil law at McGill University. She devoted much of her life to teaching, and worked as a professor and dean of the Faculty of Law at the University of Calgary. In a questionnaire for the appointment process that is posted online, Martin cites her role in education as one of her best attributes for the Supreme Court job. She said she knew from her early studies that she wanted to share her joy of learning and wrote books to help people understand their legal rights and responsibilities. While my commitment to fairness and equal justice for all spans and unites my entire career, my most significant contribution has been to education, richly defined, she wrote. My guiding desire has been to use what I have learned to help others gain a greater understanding of the law, its purpose, role and promise. I have dedicated much of my life to various forms and types of education, often on equality and diversity, but also spanning many diverse subject areas. Throughout, I sought to create a conversational climate where differences of opinion can be explored fully, openly and with respect. Whatever the topic, and whatever the role I played, clarity, communication and insight have been persistent preoccupations. She said her early upbringing in Montreal helped shape her commitment to issues of diversity and equality. I came from a loving family of modest means and saw the daily stress of trying to make ends meet, she wrote.